Let's talk about adding aftermarket tanks to about any 1/64 scale truck that you might want. This is a DCP IH 9400, and I really want to put these older school looking style tanks on this bad boy. So how are we going to do this? Easy money. I'm going to take my favorite glue in the whole wide world, stick it right there on the end of those pegs, like so. Try not to get any glue on my fingers, so, you know, don't glue my fingers to the tanks. And then I'm just going to come in here like you see right here. I'm going right underneath the elbow of that exhaust. I'm trying to line that up with the body line. I'm going to come in here with a little bit of Instaset. Boom, right there on one corner so it doesn't move. Double check for square. Oh my, that's not straight. Let's try it again. Ah, there it is. We're getting close. Looks pretty much perpendicular to the floor. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But either way, we're still putting them on. And we're going to flip this dude over and do the other side. See how quick that goes? Try again. I'm going to dry fit once just for luck. Boom. Love it. Then we're going to do we're going to repeat the driver's side on the passenger side. Just like that, coming in for a landing. And there we are. Ah, okay, I'm happy. Little Instaset there, boom, and boom, up, and I moved it. Let's see if we can move it back. There it is, guys. We just put aftermarket fuel tanks on our 1/64 scale truck. It's as simple as that. Perfect beginner project. If you want to do a tank swap, I recommend it. And if you want tanks like this, wheels like that, a bumper like this, maybe your favorite glue, and some chrome steers, get them at rockinghfarmtoys.com. Now, go make something and show me what you made.